along. I'm finna introduce one of the sickest dudes to get within inches of a booth. This is my debut and entrance, give me your attention. But did I forget to mention, no, the spitter is the truth. Recognition is due, cause I've been getting dues since I was in school, ripping rappers, getting in the feuds. Since school ended, I've been winning, and that's why I got photographers around me taking pictures of the dude. I'm dipping in a lowrider on 20-inch rims, a crispy pair of Dickies. I never wear Timbs. She would have fella, but I'm more better than him, cause I'm in a Godfather with the feather in the brim. Ain't nobody better, no competitor for him. I'm more clever with my letters and don't ever use a pen. It's evident I'm in the cut like medicine, but then beating me is like taking 60 Ceterins with gin. When I was growing up, I realized a few friends that I had. These were the shoulders of whom I would depend when I'm sad. They would only listen, they would never diss me and laugh. I went to them when I felt bad, revengeful or mad. I told stories about drugs moms did in the past. How it ain't no room in my heart for forgiving my dad. When I needed them, they was there, cringed in my bag. The best friends that I had, my pen and my pad. Open your eyes, you would walk the beginning percentage of my mission. On an endless competition to profit from hot writtens, I got in it, not knowing the job description, and not interested in submitting into the business. Not to mention the decisions of politicians, what's hot, what's not, what could be written and not written. But in the midst of being persistent, I got wisdom, and that's why I'm the